Renee Montoya. Raised on 80s cop shows, she's always saying cheesy shit like,
there was only one shooter inside. This guy shot out the glass. Serrano. Yo, hey. Have ballistics check for a bullet in one of those parked cars.
10 years ago, she broke a career-making case.
Did I stutter?
But her partner at the time took all the credit. So while he made captain, she got stuck at detective level with this idiot.
Okay, you think one guy got all four?
Wait, shh.
I'm just saying, we got 4 dead bodies here, you know, one guy.
I'm trying
bullet
to
holes.
work.
I'm sorry. Go to work. Go ahead.
The shooter got close before drawing. 6 rounds. 2 for each of these 3.
Mind you, that. Yeah, I'm telling you.
Girl Angelina, she's a princess.
Whoa,
Look at this. Is that Halloween?
And it wasn't about them. It's all about this guy right here.
Do you know who I am?
You fucking bitch.
This arrow through his throat? She wanted him to die slowly.
She.
We got a hair. And he's got a new assassin.
Who does?